What is up, guys? This is Johnny from Catch the Latest, and for today's video we have the 2020 Topps Baseball Series 1 Blaster Pack. So let's see what hits can we get, and let's get it started. I'm going to save the rookie one for last. Alright guys, let's see if we get something. I haven't got lucky in a minute. So like father, like son, Blue Jays. We got the Future Stars, Biggio, Rondell. We got the Gold Cup of Tatis, M. Anderson, Manny Machado, Keller, Sanchez, Gonzalez, Melky Cabrera, and we have here top 65, Christian Yelich, numbered out of 299, 245 out of 299. So this is a nice one. So this pack, listen to me. I wanted to get something. I got something. I got a Red Turkey rookie. And all right. Next up, now we got all the side cards. Tyler, Zach Gillian rookie card, Lucas, Smith Jr., Matt Chapman, Tyler Flowers, O'Hanty, I said it wrong, Buster Posey. We got Jack Flaherty. We got the Hopkins. Got the Mookie Betts. We have here Red Turkey. Can't pronounce his name. Barnes. All right. Trying to put these all neat. Next. Jacob. Angels. We got the Dodgers, Hollywood Heroes, Big Air, Big Hair. We got Gary Sanchez. We got Ronald Acuna Jr. So go a little bit faster. We got Eloy Gold Cup, Diaz. We got the Harper, Sanchez Turkey. Alright guys, got 4 more packs. Austin Meadows, got the New York Yankees, St. Louis Cardinals, close call. We have here McKay, Jake. He's in the Mets now. Sandoval. Josh. Blake. Sean Green. And we got a rookie for you of Trent Grisham. Okay, that's another nice one. Hater. All right. Tanaka, Ian Desmond, David Fletcher. We got Anthony K, Jose Martinez. Kelly, Christian Yelich. Got another Hoskins. We have here Monte Irvin, 1950s, decade's best batter. Sam. All right, 2 more packs, guys. If you guys see that I missed something, let me know in the comments below, because I was actually going a little too fast, not paying attention. Got Luis, Sanchez, Collins, Alex, Future Stars, Nick, Tony, Paul Goldschmidt, J.R. Crawford, and we have Manny Machado home run challenge. We got Yadier Molina, Red Turkey. We have here Michael Chavez, Future Stars, and Brian Anderson. All right, last one, guys. Matt Carpenter, Kimbrel, got Milwaukee, Christian, got Jason. He got a rookie, Bo Bichette. Sonny Gray. We have Kyle Lewis. Sterling. We got JD Martinez. And we have here Tony Gwynn, 35-year anniversary. And then we got Vlad, Mike Starkis, and Mike Max. And for the last one, see what we get. Hopefully something I don't got already. And a Cal Ripken rookie. Nice. So I love this one. This is really nice. Alright guys, so that was all. If you saw something that I missed, please comment down below. Let me know how you like this rip. If you like it or not, just give me a like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later.